Hello mga kabling, buenos dias, mayang adlaw, good morning. We are here at Pagadian City. The 2024 Motorcycle Modified Competition. A motorcycle with stylistic and structural. It doesn't matter what motorcycle you ride. Chances are you want to add a dash of aesthetic flair. That makes the bike more your own. Incredible how looks can change. Stunning yellow. Pretty match with black. You can see it from the outside. The most obvious thing. A customized seat, hand grip and gold rims, the golden alloy spokes, and the red dog suspension. Such a beautiful fire red color motorcycle. A perfect combination of white, red and gold, with audio system build. Stunning dirt bike. Modified frame, suspensions, front fork, silencer alloy spokes, and customized seat. Modified green frame, silencer, rim, tire, and alloy spokes. Front and back suspension and disc brake. Customized slimmer frame, disc brake, rim and spokes, silencer footrest and front fork. Perfect red. Beautiful white bike. Black sniper matching it with a golden sports rims. Gold disc brake and monoshock suspension. Happy, bright, refreshing color. Pagadian three-wheelers customized competition. Elegant and colorful Tricab. Personalized color and design. Loaded with lots of lights. And accessories with personalized sticker design. Complete with audio sound system. These three-wheelers provide the ultimate solution for the worthy mood of transportation among the island of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. These multi-purpose three-wheeler that provides functional upgrade to cater both commuting and delivery needs of the public commuters. Most of the people in the Philippines slowly upgrade the tricycle into Tricab. This Tricab has begun to overtake the traditional tricycle as a primary mode of transportation across cities and neighborhoods in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. This Tricab has been taking the rural and urban street of the Philippines by storm. People choose this cause it is more comfortable, the interior design with spacious legroom and bucket seat to maximize comfort over long trips. The Tricab already won in the previous year competition and rejoin again this year.
Keep it dropping, man.